Hello and welcome back to Crypto Saving Expert, the show where we discuss the latest cryptocurrency news and take a look at the overall market so that you stay informed in the world of Web3. Today, guys, we're going to go through the newsletter that goes out every Tuesday. We've got some good analysis in there for you, some good news stories. We're going to place a live trade. We're going to use Stonksy. I'm also going to ask for your suggestions. We're probably going to stick to Solana like we normally do. So already put in the chat right now, should I go long? Should I go short on Solana? And we'll go through some comments. Any altcoin suggestions, we'll go through those as well. And we are also going to be looking at the beef between Zach XBT and Ansem, guys. So let's see who's in the chat right now. We got Tim Tam Tomo. How are you doing, my man? Hope you're good. Web3 gang. And we've got Steve as well. Steve, good to see you, my man. But let's head straight into the markets. Give this a refresh just so we're all up to play. Bitcoin 62,500, Ethereum 2,430, Solana below 145 here. BNB is actually not doing so bad. We've got CZ out now 576. I think it was 540 on the last stream last week. So actually a little bit of a recovery from BNB there. You can see on the 7-day, not so bad compared to the others. Look at Ethereum there, Solana as well. Right now with Ethereum, I'm actually, I've got a nice bag of Ethereum. I'm looking to offload it. I'm looking to put it into alts. It's not quite playing how I wanted it to. We've spoken about this on the show for a while now. Bitcoin dominance is has been taking center stage for a long time, and I was expecting ETH to kind of creep back a little bit, but not so much. So I'm thinking, I'm probably better placed going for some mid to low cap altcoins rather than Ethereum right now. It was always the plan, but I was hoping Ethereum would trickle up slightly before I made this move. But it looks like, there's some good alts on at a good price right now that I'm looking to scoop up. One of those is Metis. I scooped up some Metis. We were speaking about it in the chat in Discord. I know TMG's helping promote. Metis as well. I've seen he's mentioned it on stream as well, but that would be good as well. We've got Steve saying to short it with a 10x on stream. We always go 20x, Steve. We go big. We did do a 25x long, and then the market absolutely collapsed, but luckily I did have a stop loss in place. We've got Christian, good to see you, my man. Looking forward to seeing you down in London at Zebu as well. And we got Tim Tam Tomo saying thoughts on your AI. Let's have a look at your AI. Let's go. And I will say what I believe for your AI. I've been known to kind of stay clear from majority of AI projects. Okay. So this is not pulling through the correct data. It's a real low cap gem, this though. We've got fully diluted at 12 mil, circulating supply, max supply. So it's even less than that. Let me go on to CoinGecko. So we can get the real data for that. Bear with me. I will make sure to share this tab as well. Yeah, Sui's on absolute fire. We've got some analysis to go through for Sui there as well, Steve, from our newsletter that I'll go through. Let's share this tab. Oh, I hate when CoinGecko does this. Okay, let's have a look at the 3-month. Let me know, Tim Tam Tomo, are you a bag holder of this? I'll have a look at the website as well. Let's have a look at the 3-month price action. Yeah, slight pullback. Probably will head a little bit lower before going back. Could be a good place for an entry. Let's go to their website. Wait for this to load. Here we go. So the future of AI-driven e-commerce. Your protocol, the first AI-driven content layer for e-commerce built on Bitcoin and Solana. Okay. Accept the cookies. Let's go have a little look. Contract address, yeah. Also on BNB, Ethereum, BNB, Solana. Backed by, yeah, a few projects there. Also, guys, when you see this, when people promote Cointelegraph, what it means, it's been a bit slow here. What featured in Cointelegraph, what it means is they paid 15 grand, 20 grand for a Cointelegraph, advert normally. So don't be fooled by that. Let's have a quick look further down. Vision, disrupt e-commerce with our AI-driven content layer. Introducing your revolutionary Web3 protocol for the booming 8.8 trillion e-commerce. Yeah, it looks okay. Streaming and creation dApps. Shopify application. Okay, Shopify application's good. There are other projects doing this. Do they already have the Shopify application? If it's just something they say they're going to do, not so bothered. Code integration, creation application. Yeah, it looks okay, but why they've put AI into it is just buzzword. Doesn't seem to me like there is much AI going involved. Let's have a look at the tokenomics. 6%. Okay, well, team. Yeah, that's not great for longevity. 6 month and 10% unlocked each month thereafter. Yeah, so that means within 10 months, the team are going to have all of their tokens, which is a lot. 30% network, yeah. Reserves. What's that reserves for? AKA more team tokens. Marketing, that is crap amount for marketing. And liquidity, yeah, not great for liquidity amount either. I'm going to pass on this one. I think it's a bit, they're using buzzwords. They may be able to raise a little bit, but not looking good. If you are talking to the team, though, perhaps, I can be swayed. Perhaps I'm missing something here, but looks a bit standard to me. Core team, they've got a decent team by the looks of it, unless these are fake. What I do quite often is do like a Google search on the face. It's a little bit more difficult with these ones with backgrounds. You can kind of do a screenshot, do a Google search, see if it's real people. They almost look a bit too smiley. They look a little bit fake to me, but could probably not. Probably I do think this is a real project. It just seems a little bit average. Buy tokens, Gate.io. Let's see what Tommy's saying. Holding, sir. Are you holding in a profit? Did you get in at a good moment? We got Pack in the chat as well. Pack, how are you doing? We got Steve is trading the base memes right now, and he's also saying Sui is on fire. So let's have a look at the newsletter. But first, actually, let's put on a trade, so we can check in back at the end. Right, Stonksy, red line's coming up, but it's not in a. We've got to go long here. Let's go long on Sol. Let's go over to Sol. Let's find it on Blofin. If you're wanting to trade on Blofin, guys, make sure to use the link in the description below. No KYC, up to 25k withdrawal limits as well. So let's go 150 Sol on 25. Let's go 20x. Okay, so we got 150 Sol on 20x. Let's go long, and let's check on that at the end as well. Let's go on the 1 minute chart here as well, make it look a little bit more interesting, and let's see how we do on that one. But let's head back to the newsletter, and we will talk about Sui here as well. I will go over Bitcoin and all of that as well. But as you can see, Steve says Sui is on fire. So Sui was incredibly close to creating a new all-time high, with the price losing momentum just below the vital level. Once broken, Sui looks set for the upside momentum to continue, and it could make a further 48% move towards $3.26, which is the 1.618 Fibonacci level. In the event of an overall market uptick, Sui could reach $5. So yeah, absolutely ripping here. $2. I think we mentioned Sui on the stream last week as well, and I think some of the targets, as we can see here, $3.26. So above $3. Looking good though, really. If you manage to catch these levels down here below $1, hats off to you guys. August the price was super low. You can see there. So hats off. I know Christian, who's watching in, was also given the tip off on Sui. So guys, if you want to be amongst all these good traders pointing out the new altcoins, make sure to join CSE Plus. We do have a free code if you use the code October for 1 month free. So make sure to join that, guys. But let's have a look at Bitcoin up here as well. So Bitcoin ignites the bullish dynamite. So Bitcoin is edging closer to testing the vital high time frame resistance level, which will decide if it enters price discovery or remains below. So Bitcoin is at an interesting point on the lower time frame. It is close to retesting the support resistance level, which it must hold to avoid a drop towards 60,000. If Bitcoin can build another rally from its current position, a charge back towards 66,000 is on the cards. After over 7 months of choppy price action, Bitcoin will inevitably break in one direction for a phase of expansion, with a bull market awaiting if it is to the upside. Let me know right now in the chat, are you bullish or bearish with Bitcoin this week? I feel like we could go down to these 60,000 levels again. It was nice, a little bit of a positive price movement back up to kind of 63. But I think perhaps we are going a little bit further down this week. October is not being the most fruitful. Perhaps the latter end of the month will be a good one, though. It says Bitcoin breaking through resistance here. So Bitcoin has a tough road towards all-time highs. It must first break the downtrend trend line, which was capped momentum since March. After conquering that, the price would also face the task of breaking through the horizontal 70,000 to 71,000 region. Still, Bitcoin has created a higher low on the daily time frame, and unless broken, this suggests the price would go on to form a higher high somewhere above 66,000. Ethereum as well. Ethereum continues to be the weakest performer out of Bitcoin, Solana, and itself. The price cannot sustain any upside push, and a drop below 2,000 could be on the cards. If the lackluster response to market bounces persists, however, it may be forming a triple bottom pattern currently, which could spur a move towards 3,200 if the price can get above 2,800. So Bitcoin's also forming out a triple bottom pattern at the moment as well. I think if we go down to we've got one of the news articles here. Let's have a look. Where have we got here? Yeah, so is Bitcoin forming a triple bottom? Key levels and market structure breakdown. Let's get that comment off there as well. We've got Block Pro in the chat. Hola, smashed forth with the CSE community. Block Pro, hope you're doing well. Look forward to getting you back on the stream. I believe that will be next Friday, guys. So make sure to tune in for that. And then we will be doing them more regularly as well. We've got Crypto Cole as well. It's been a pretty rough, choppy October for sure. But I know Crypto Cole, he likes trading the volatility. He likes he's a wizard on the charts as well, Crypto Cole. So I know you've probably been enjoying this volatility. But let's have a look at the article here. So it's saying, is Bitcoin forming a triple bottom? Key levels and market structure breakdown. So recent chart formation developments show that Bitcoin is in the process of forming a triple bottom pattern. A triple bottom is a bullish reversal chart pattern that signals a potential shift from a downtrend to an uptrend. It is formed after a prolonged decline in an asset's price and consists of 3 distinct lows at roughly the same price level, followed by a breakout above key resistance levels. If this pattern forms, Bitcoin could be on the verge of a significant breakout. In this article, we'll explore Bitcoin's current market structure, key psychological levels, and why Q4 tends to be a bullish period for the crypto markets. So chart pattern showing a long-term downtrend, which appears to have broken with the ascension to 66,000 in late September. You can see the lower lows here, higher lows, lower high retest. Is Bitcoin performing a lower high? 60,000, the critical, psychological, and technical support. Q4, obviously, historically a bullish period for Bitcoin. Let's have a look at the conclusion here. Bitcoin's path to new highs with the potential formation of a triple bottom, key support found at 60,000, the defense of the 50-day moving average, and the historical bullish trends in October and Q4. Bitcoin could be setting up for a breakout. However, traders should remain cautious and monitor key levels closely. Past performance is not a guarantee of future gains, and traders should remain aware of external factors, such as escalations or of tensions in the Middle East, which could put undue pressures on the market. So yeah, let me know, are you long or are you short on Bitcoin right now? I think we're going to range around here for this week, and then perhaps some volatility later on in the week, Thursday, Friday time. But I'm enjoying trading right now. Keeping an eye on the markets, but right now I am focused on altcoins. But guys, I did want to mention a story today about Zach XBT accuses crypto influencer Ansem of promoting meme coin pump and dumps. So a lot of people know Zach XBT in the space. Crypto sleuth Zach XBT accused Ansem of promoting hundreds of low market cap meme coins to his followers, which he claimed could have an outsized effect on their price. Let me know where you stand with this article. Ansem, let's show Ansem's Twitter. So it's Black Noise 06. I believe he's from Georgia in the States. He got famous, or his notoriety came when he called projects like Whiff and multiple other meme coins. And his content is quite funny. He's often in Twitter debates with people like Andrew Tate and all of these likes. People seem to pick on Ansem a little bit, and he doesn't mind fighting back. That's Ansem. You'll see him at crypto events. He's like 7 foot tall. I actually met him at Breakpoint very recently. Spoke to him. Very chill guy. I actually spoke to him about a few meme coins, and then also wished him luck with his fight with BitBoy coming up as well. I think that will be in November or December time in Dubai, I believe. So if you're wanting to catch that, you can also bet on the outcome, I believe, on Poly Markets. Let's have a look here. Yeah, so Ansem versus BitBoy crypto fight night. Ansem is the underdog right now, 37% chance. But if we go back to the article, let's see what Zach XBT had to say. So yeah, low cap Solana meme coins. So Zach XBT first mentioned Ansem while discussing meme coin bull Murad Murmadov's meme coin supercycle speech at Token 2049 last month, accusing him of promoting coins to his followers in place of having a legitimate edge on the market. If you resort to promoting new low cap meme coins every day, every few days to followers as a large account, it's because you have no edge and have to use your followers instead. Zach XBT claiming that Ansem was also complicit in his behavior. He clapped back and put, "People call me the meme coin guy now. They called me the Cosmos guy earlier in early 2022. They called me the DFK guy late 2021. They called me the Solana guy early 2021. I take the best trades that the market gives me and I talk about them." And then Zach XBT replied, "No, they just call you Scamson now. You are really going to sit here and tell us where the best trades the market could give you?" It's my point of view with this. It's difficult, with these influencers. They're gonna call, even on this stream here, I call out different altcoins and I say, this is what I'm doing. Like earlier today, I said, I've purchased Metis. I think Metis is going to be a good buy for me, not financial advice. And there's always going to be bad calls. We see it a lot with our founder, that Martini guy. He puts out millions and millions of good calls. And out of those good calls, there will be bad ones that go to zero, and people will always bring that up, and it's a difficult one. I think my opinion is, as long as you're doing it with good intentions and you're putting out good projects and they're not just flopping straight away, I think it's not the influencers' fault, But let me know what you think in the chat. We've got Tim Tam Tomo saying, Ansem can shill what he wants. Everyone is a meme, should know the score. Pure gambles. Yeah. We got Crypto Bro in the house as well. Crypto Bro, I hope you're doing well, man. Good to see. Good to see you. But yeah, let's head back on the live trade. See where we're doing with that right now. I think we're in a bit of a loss. $82 loss. I should have listened to Steve this time and gone short. Yeah, that's absolutely flying down here. See what the on Stonksy it's saying right now. Stonksy still in a short position there. Let's have a look at Stonks for 1 minute. Let's measure out some of these. Okay, let's start from here. Yeah, lovely one. 0.5%. Put that on some nice leverage. You're doing well. Let's have a look at this one over here. This cool. Go back onto the measure. Yeah, lovely. Almost 0.5% again. Nothing there. This one would have been quite good. Stay on that. Not bad at all. So yeah, this is on the 1 minute. Some people have been using the 3 minute. I actually had a call with a CSE member last week, and they said the Nasdaq has been really, really good. I believe it was on the 3 minute. We can check that out. Let's go. Let's go on to the 3 minute, and let's have a look at this here as well. Okay, nothing crazy. A good one there. But yeah, let me know. A lot of people are trading gold as well. I personally don't trade the traditional markets. I stick to crypto, stick to what I know. But yeah, let me know. We do have Zebu this week. I will be going live tomorrow. Do have some fun guests lined up for next week as well, people. We do have the premium AMA Thursday for CSE members. I think we're going to move that one along as well. With this trade right now, that's on Solana. I'm going to keep it open. We're coming up a little bit here. Perhaps I should double down and go again. But I'll leave that trade open, guys, and then hopefully we can at least break even and maybe head up to those 144 levels and make a nice little bit of profit. But as always, guys, thanks for joining me today. If there's anything that you want mentioned in coming up streams, anything you want me to do, like I say, we've got Block Pro, we've got more guests coming on. But you know, if there's more altcoins, meme coins, etc., or something you'd like to do, I even said actually I was going to do a giveaway. So before I leave, let's do a $10 giveaway. The first person to comment, you know, in the comments, a number between 1 and 10. I'm thinking of a number. So spam the comments, guys. Put some numbers in between 1 and 10. The first person to guess the number I'm thinking of, I will send $10 on Solana. Okay, we got Geordie straight away with it. Geordie had got 7. I was thinking of 7. So well done, Geordie. DM me your Solana address and I will send you $10, guys. We'll be doing some more fun giveaways. If you can think of any, that one was a bit random. If we can think of some more fun giveaways, we'll do something else. Maybe I invite guests on and we do you know, random guests, people from the crowd, and we do a kind of Dragon's Den pitch or something like that. Could be fun. But guys, thanks for joining me today. Geordie, make sure to ping me your wallet address and I'll get that sent over. And guys, have a brilliant rest of your day and I will see you tomorrow. Take care, guys. Bye.